What is up, man? I am back. I know the last time I made a video, I had to get out of queen, pling. I got a call, man. I just had to kind of totally end it. And I know at the end of that video, I was like, man, I got a surprise for you. Just wait until the end of the video. So I didn't put that surprise out because I had to just end that video. So I'm going to put the surprise out now. Wait until the end of the video. And I got a video to show you. That only if you want to see it. So anyway, I wanted to talk about, so that last video, I was talking about my gains. I think that was my last video. So this video, I want to talk about my losses. All right. So last time I didn't have anybody up in my chats because I wasn't sure it wasn't working. Let me do a test. See if it shows up at the bottom. All right, there it is. Okay. So, yeah, so I want to go ahead and talk about my losses, but let's talk about this real quick. And I'm only because I'm waiting for people to get in here because this video might not stay up. Yes, my losses, I can't be having that out there. No, I'm just kidding. Everybody has losses and I'm proud of mine. Not all the time, but I'm proud of mine. But Amazon, man, we're going to talk about this real quick. Hey, there's my babes. How you doing, sweetie? It's up 137 points today. Oh my gosh. I would have been a semi-millionaire if it could have just held on one more day before the run. And I don't know. I probably would have sold out of it. If you look at my videos, because I posted, I was trying to get in on Monday. I think, is that when it started? When was this day? The 13th? 14th, 15th? Yeah. So, and it was up, and then how they say, don't chase, wait for a pullback, all of that talk. This is why I kind of do that sometimes. But this happened to be the time I was waiting for a little pullback, and there was no pullback. The thing was out the gate, up 5% a day. I just can't believe a stock like this is up. I'm just gonna measure it real quick from the jump there. Yeah, it's up basically 21% in 2 days. Unbelievable. And I missed it. That's a whole 413 points. And in such a market, it just shows you there's nowhere for money to kind of go. And you can see, look at that volume. It's going here. It's going here. So everybody wants in. It's actually making me think Amazon is going to disappoint. Now, they don't like Amazon when they do a lot of spending. So maybe, we know they're going to be good. They're going to blow out. They're going to sell all kinds of stuff. But who knows? Maybe the supply chain got ruined. Maybe there's something. Maybe they're still doing a lot of spending or there's a surprise. Why are we going up? Maybe this is the stock. You think of like at the top of the market, how stocks peak, boom, you run right into basically like we was doing just before the crash. We had everything just going straight up. Maybe this is the stock that disappoints to make everything go back down, and we test the bottom, right? We had a bottom. The next one will be a test of that bottom. The next one will be a retest of the test of that bottom. So maybe this is it, because it just seems like a lot of exuberance going on, and we 11 million people don't have a job. 11 million people is just not working. I don't get it. There's no plan for them to start working next week either. So what's going on? So it's really upsetting when you see stocks run like this, looking fine with my double hairline. There's no reason. I don't know, man. I guess the market sees something I didn't see, right? Yeah, look at that. It's consolidating right there at the 50%. It looks like it's ready to blow. I hate to say this is bullish. This is exactly what Amazon looked like before it took off. So maybe it's being the leader. See it right there? I even got the lines. I was ready. I got the arrow. This shows you I was ready to get in. Now, I did make some money because I was selling put spreads. But, oh, man, a move like this, you want to buy calls. You getting those calls and boom, gosh, every day you wake up, you're going to be up 10 to 15,000, so, oh man, I was selling put spreads, making crumbs, collecting crumbs, and the thing is running like that. So it was very disappointing, but not too, and the reason why I didn't jump all over it, because the first day was up, the market was down like 500 points. And I was like, sometimes, that's a sign, that's a sign of maybe it has a lot. I just was not feeling the market. I wasn't feeling the river or the cross trends, whatever I'm trying to think of. Because, a bad market brings all stocks down. So I was just like, maybe this is just today. Then the next day, the stock market was up, and then it's unbelievable. I think we're getting a little toppy right about now, though. And I wanted to 2 years out to sell to buy the 2100 to 2900. This thing's going to reach 2900 in 2 days. It's just unbelievable. Unbelievable. Very disappointed about the action and very pissed at the same time. Anyway, you came to this video to watch my losses. So let's go ahead and talk about them real quick. So let's click this button right here. And here they are, man. Look at all that red across the board. All right, so here we go. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of me. Could I do that? Let's make it a little clearer so you could see what's going on here. Is that how I do it? All right, there we go. All right, so now I can pick my nose. All right, so here we go. Google, worst loss, easily. I lost $2,800 in it. I don't know. And this is year to date, okay? So $2,800, Netflix. And I tell you, I can never trade Netflix. The Qs, the SPY. This one is, all right, I got to point something out. Here's the micro ES, right? And I sucked. I sucked at trading futures. Anyway, so the CXF, the Home Depot, here's the regular futures, and here the micro. I lost more on the micros. The CSX, the HD, the Shop, the Facebook, all of these single stocks, they don't count because I had bought them, and I had bought them to transfer them over to another account. So they might have gains in it, but since they're not in the account no more, it doesn't show that. So I bought them. I bought all of that. The SRET, which is a super real estate REIT, UTX and Twitter, and I can't even think of something properties, British Petroleum, MGM Growth Properties, all that, Facebook. So anyway, these are all doing well in my portfolio. So I transferred them out. The stocks that I was trading, because I don't trade many stocks, is Google, the ones with these big losses. Yeah, Google, Netflix, the Qs, SPY, and that's about it. So that is my losses. Now I'll go ahead and scroll up. You can see. So we'll talk about my gains. Now I did this video the other day. So here are the gains, and it's about equal. See, up, down, about a thumb roll, and most of the money, boom, came from Amazon. So I was so told this. Now you know why I'm so pissed, because I worked for that money right there. And that, the stock wasn't even moving. Now it's moving. Shoot, that would have been $500,000 in there easily. No, I don't know, but easily 100,000 plus. So and you can see Amazon, Tesla, SPX. That's it, man. That's what I did. Why does it says Okay, yeah, SPY. I lost. See, I lost on the SPY. I made on the SPX. Amazon, Tesla, SPX, and then go down here. Yeah, so that's my losses. My biggest loss being Google at $2,800. I can't remember what happened there. That's it. And remember, I always show you I trade 2 accounts. So we go to my other account right here, and that's it. I don't trade much in this one, but the big loss in the SPX, and there it is. They all gains. And I look in the futures, micro futures. I made it. I made money there, 272, and you can see my year to date up there. So there it is. That's it. And I showed you that because I wanted to go ahead and show losses as well. So, because we all have losses. And I just showed the gains on the last video. I should have just did it like that, but I was like scrubbing out numbers and things like that. And then remember, at the end, I'm going to share a video. I need you to stick to the end of this video, okay? Because I'm going to show you something that's been private forever. All right, so what is going on? What are you guys trading? We could talk about the market real quick. I guess I'll make this video short because I don't have anybody getting up in here. I need you to talk so I can have content to talk about. You'll see how that works. Otherwise, I'm just going to be talking about Amazon and Tesla all the damn time. Oh, man. So I'm looking at this chart like, I guess I already looked at it. This is the 4-hour chart. And you see I got the Fibonacci drawn from the top to the bottom. We consolidating along that 50. The 50 retracement, right, which is right there. And looks like with this consolidation right here, generally that goes higher. Now, I remember we had a failure. It was right here. You see right here, I got faking out. I had all kind of call spreads. Let me blow this area up right here and make it right here. Same situation as we are right now. This is at the 38.2. I had all kinds of call spreads going on, calls. I had everything going on, and then boom, it got faked out. I got out right there. I was like, oh, it didn't happen. When something don't happen, it goes the other way hard. I believe in that. But it quickly, this is the 4-hour chart, so this is just a few days. It quickly reversed and did what it was supposed to do to begin with. So I was like, oh man, and I was slow to get on this train. I was real slow, and I got in somewhere around here, maybe on that down day, and then we did the same thing. So this time, if we have one of these fall out of bed moments, I'm not going to be too quick to get out of my positions. I'm going to kind of wait to see what happens. I totally got faked out right there. The slow stochastic is showing it wants to kind of give it up, but I don't know. I don't know. You know, it's at resistance. You know, so let's see what it does. It's amazing that we even here today. You know, 11 million people don't have jobs. That was the continuous jobless claims numbers. You know, 5.2 million this week, 11 million ongoing. Yeah, that is a lot of people, man. A lot of people. So let's see what happens here. And then I'm selling, by the way, I'm bullish. I'm selling like the 2400, 23, somewhere around here, right? I'm selling put spreads in that area down there. And so far it's been working. I'm way away. I'm way away from the action, but in this kind of market with a high VIX, we could be there tomorrow. And I would, oh man, look at this. The VIX is just really giving it up. It's trying to do something right there, right? You see, I got my little line, so we got to be careful. The 9, it's at the 9 moving average. This is the 4-hour chart, is trying to flatten out a little bit. So, you know, look at this. Yeah, it's wanting to kind of go up. Where are we up today? Yeah, we up 2.74% today. So, keep an eye on that. Anyway, I forgot what I was talking about. So let's go back to Tesla. Ooh, Tesla is looking just like Amazon. See, I did a video. Yeah, that was my last video. Fangs are back, right? I know Tesla's not a fang. Damn, Amazon. Amazon did this. This is the Amazon setup right there. So I'm just now pulling this up. I got some put spreads. I sold some put spreads on this in the 600 to 500 area. It looks like it wants to blow. It's consolidating. It went up, consolidating. You got a bull flag basically going on, right? Bring it down like that. Da, 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 da. There it is. Bull flag. What happens? We generally blow out of here about the same distance of this kind of flag. It's not the greatest flag post, but it's a flag. Maybe I should draw the post like that, right? Once it gets above this high, let me see. Let's bring up the 1-hour chart. Look at that. 759. So let's just call it 760. All in, man. All in. To get to 760, it's going to do an Amazon on us. I bought some of this in my long portfolio as well. I actually sold in my long portfolio. I had a measly, I won't call it measly, I'm going to say 3 shares of Amazon, and it was totally taking over the portfolio. So I had to do a rebalance. And Yeah, so 3 shares is 2, 4, 6, 7, I don't know, 7 something thousand. So I sold 1 share. And I bought Tesla and Google with it because they're getting ready to rip. Amazon is just, it's overbought. It could go a little higher, but for the most part, you can get some real good action in the other ones, like Google. See, it's way down here, and I had no intention on selling Amazon, none. But when it rips like that, it's like you got to, man. You got to take some profits in that, you know. Especially it threw my portfolio out of whack. So Google, and then of course we was just looking at Tesla, you know, which can basically do the same thing Amazon's done. Look at it. It's looking good. Look at that slow stochastic. I love it when it's pointing up from the lows and separating. That's what you want to see, right? That's what I like. I like that. Okay, so that's what is up. That's the only thing I'm trading and looking at. In the market, I was waiting for it to go down. It went down yesterday. It went down. I think it got as low as 700 points down, and then we've been up since. And I was looking for some follow through on that to possibly sell some more SPX put spreads, and we didn't get there, man. So I was like, I kind of gave in and bought some today. I didn't really feel comfortable with that purchase, but it's working out. It's working out now. So possibly maybe the market's going to hold on. I think all the big boys report next week, and maybe it's holding out to see what they do, what they talk about. We know it's going to suck. I mean, earnings is going to suck. Okay, so we can't look at that. I think what it wants to look for is, what do you see? What do you see in the future? What do you see in the future, Tesla? What do you see in the future, Amazon? You know, and there's more talk of the economy's coming back, and nobody knows how they're gonna do it. You know, I was just hearing some talk today about let the kids go to school. Kids don't really get sick by this, you know, and we just gotta. It's just a chance we gotta take, you know. And you know there's going to be some chances. There's no way we're going to go turn on the economy and we're going to get like an all clear sign. That is just not going to happen. So it's going to be a lot of risk out there. So, yeah, so it's just, when do we come back? Sorry, just checking something out. All right, so anyway, that's what's up. So here is the deal. Here is what you've been waiting for. I told you to wait for the end of the video, and here it is. Look in the description and you'll see a link to one of my former videos. I made this video last year at the same time, okay? And I made it, it was only on for a day or two, and then I made it private. So now I'm releasing it again, and I'll probably make it a private again, along with this video and possibly the video I just did a couple of days ago where I'm talking gains and stuff, because I don't really want to put that out there. But it's out there. So last year, around April 2019, I did a video that says Buy Trading Profits Exposed. There it is. Check the description. It's in there. The video is on. You can watch that video, and it'll probably only be up for a day or two. So reason why I saved it for the end of the video, well, clickbait, so you watch the whole video of this. But most of the videos that I do, I got diehard followers that follow me. They probably seen it already, but I know they get to the end of the video. So, hey, y'all saw these. Let's check out how I was doing last year at this time. And that's out there, okay? All right, so thanks for watching. Looks like I only had Babe in here checking me out. If you missed this video, go in the comments, man. That's where I be. I be in the comments and talk about what you are trading. I'm just looking at that volume going to Tesla. It actually looks really good. Anyway, tell me about what you are trading, what, you know, and just whatever, man, whatever. Hit, you know, follow me on Twitter at Dre Trades, Instagram at Dre Trades, and right here, this is Dre, and we could talk. Put your comments below. Check out my YouTube stories. I do all that. Yeah, I do all that. All right, so thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Don't forget to go in the comments and check out that video. It's only going to be up for a day or two. All right, I'll talk to you later. This is Dre. Peace.